guys, let's read the question. Given here are some figures. So here you can see there are many figures, am I right? So in this we should find which is a simple curve, which is a simple closed curve, which is a polygon, which is a convex polygon, which is a concave polygon. So our first question is, we should find what are the simple curve. So here let's look at the first drawing. Okay, so the first drawing is a simple curve. So do you guys know what is a simple curve? So a simple curve means without lifting the pen or pencil anything, we should be able to draw on the paper. Okay, so here we have this diagram, am I right? So can we draw it without lifting the pen? Yes, we can draw it without lifting the pen, which means our first diagram is a simple curve. So the second one, can we draw without lifting the pen? Of course we can draw, am I right? Let me show you. We can draw easily. So this is also a simple curve. So here next we have a circle, am I right? So a circle is not a simple curve because here you can see the circle. First we will draw like this. After that, without lifting the pen, can you draw the other circle? No. So third one is not a simple curve. So the fourth one. So let's look at the fourth one. So the fourth one, you guys might wonder that we can draw it without lifting the pen. Am I right? Easily we can draw it. But the problem here is, like when we draw, it's intersecting. Am I right? So if it's intersecting like this, if it's like cutting each other. So here you guys can see this and this is forming a X because it's intersecting each other, which means it's forming a X symbol. Not only X, it's just dashing each other. Am I right? So if it's dashing means also it's not a simple curve. So next what we have, our fifth question. So this shape. So this shape we can draw easily, am I right, without lifting the pen. Just like this and like this. So this is a simple curve, our fifth one. Next one is a weird shape like thingy. So this also without lifting the pen we can draw. So our sixth one also is a simple curve. Next we have like this type of drawing, am I right? So this also I drew it without lifting the pen. So this is also a simple curve. So our last figure is a circle. After that, like this, am I right? So for drawing this, I took my pencil up, which means it's not a simple curve. So these are the answer for the first question. Next, our second question is simple closed curve. So what are the simple closed curve? Simple closed curve means only like this is also kind of same, okay. Without lifting the pen, we should be able to close it. But we should be careful, it's not open. Like some diagrams will be like open like any diagram, okay. So this is a opened curve, not a closed curve, like that. So now let's see. So here this is completely closed, am I right? And without lifting the paper we can draw. So this is a closed curve, simple closed curve. This is also closed easily and it's easy to draw. So this is also a simple closed curve. So this one we will take the pen. So this is not a closed curve. This is not a closed curve because it's intersecting. So this is a closed curve. This is also a closed curve. This one is also a closed curve. And last we have a circle, line, circle. So that's not a closed curve because here we will lift the pen. Am I right? That's right. Okay. So next we have a polygon. So what is a polygon? A polygon is something which is completely made up of line segment. Okay. So like suddenly you are drawing a circle. Circle is not a polygon. Okay. It's because it's not made up of line segment. A square is a polygon because it's made up of line segment. Line segment means fully it's made up of lines. So let's see what are the polygons here. So the first one is a polygon because it's completely made up of line segment. And our second one is also a polygon because it's completely made up of line segment. Here you guys can see, am I right? Like completely it's made up of line segment. Third one is not a polygon. Fourth is also not a polygon. Fifth is also not a polygon. Sixth is also not a polygon. Seventh is also not a polygon. Eighth is also not a polygon. Okay, so here what you understood? You have understood that a polygon's line segments are same, okay, not same, like everything. In a polygon, everything is made up of line segment. And our next one is convex polygon. So the convex polygon means something that is bulged outwards, okay. For example, a square, you can just keep a square itself, okay. So a square, it's not going inside, so it's a convex polygon. So another diagram like a triangle. Triangle is also not a convex polygon because it's not going inside. So let's take something else. Like we can take, what can we take? Okay, we can take something weird shaped, okay, like a cross symbol, plus, okay. So this is a convex because it's not, sorry, this is a concave because here you guys can see, here we have lines, am I right? Because of this, it's a concave polygon. So here you might get confused, really. You will, the people like while test time, you will get confused in this. So let me draw this. Once more, let me explain it. So in this you can see here it's going inside, right? Let me mark it. So here it's going inside, here it's going inside, here it's going inside, here it's going inside, which means it's a concave which is going inside, that is called as a concave polygon, okay. So here the convex polygon is the second one because only the second one is going outwards, so it is a convex polygon. And our next one is concave polygon. So in this, our concave polygon is the first one because it's going inwards like a V, okay, like this it's going inwards. So the first one is a concave polygon. So you guys might have a doubt. I told this is a concave polygon, am I right? So of course this is a concave polygon because it's going inside like this. So in this, is it any other diagram that is similar to this way? Yes, of course we have the star. So a star, here you can see it's going like this, here it's going like this, here it's going like this, like this, like this. So here you have the outer border like this, which means the fourth one is also a concave polygon. Okay, I hope you understood it.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment section. You can find my videos in the playlist. You can also find my sister Tanya's video in the playlist.